Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, I'm Amy and I create videos on absolutely everything coloured pencil related. Today I'm sharing with you one of my favourite tips and tools for keeping those pencil tips extra sharp without the need to keep using that sharpener. You need to get yourself a sanding block. These things are absolutely amazing to have in your coloured pencil toolkit, as it can save you a lot of time and money when it comes to those points. So a lot of us, I myself am incredibly guilty of this, keep sharpening a pencil even when it's the teeny tiniest bit blunt. And if you're a seasoned sharpener addict like me, you know that this can eat through your pencils, and you often see that most of your pencil ends up in the bin.
Goodbye, my lover. Goodbye, my friend.
And that's quite a sad thought, especially when you're using those gold encrusted pencils, luminance we are talking about you here, that quite literally cost you an arm and a leg. So let me introduce to you the sanding block. This isn't anything special, it's literally just a piece of kind of ergonomically shaped wood with some sandpaper stapled to it. In fact, it's a pretty rough looking tool, no pun intended there. There's about 3 sheets of sandpaper stapled to this little wooden block, which is more than you're ever going to need. I've had mine for about 4 years and I'm still on this first sheet. So how do you use this to keep those points nice and pointy, I hear you asking? Basically, all you do is run your pencil back and forth along the sandpaper part. It's really that simple. I like to keep my point nice and pointy all the way around, and to do that, as I'm running my pencil along the sandpaper, I roll the pencil at the same time, and you end up with a super nice point that creates some nice thin crisp lines along your paper, which is absolutely perfect for fur work and also perfect for shading. You can also keep your pencil static, and you can end up with a flat lead on one side, which also works super duper nice at getting those sharp fine lines for fur work, but this isn't so practical for doing some shading. To get rid of that pencil build-up that occurs on the sandpaper, all you do is just gently tap the back of your sanding block over a bin. I don't recommend over your paper like I have here, I'm just being a silly Billy. This nifty little tool works on all types of pencils, even those super breaky ones like the Prismacolor. In fact, I prefer to sand the tips of these pencils to stop that breakage happening so much. One tip here though, creamier, waxier pencils like Prismacolor tend to do better if they are held static and just sanded on the one side. Sanding all around sometimes ends in more breakage, and take it from someone that has sanded a lot of waxy pencils. Just stick to the one-sided method for those. So that's pretty much it. It's a really simple tool that helps keep your pencil sharper for longer, and it saves you money. What more could you want? If you like this video and you want to see more like it, then make sure you give this a big thumbs up with that button down there. And if you're new around here and you haven't yet subscribed, then why the hell not? Click that subscribe button for more colour pencil tutorials, tips and techniques. I upload new videos every single Friday and I live stream on Sundays, which is always a blast, and I definitely recommend you subscribe just on that basis. Go on, I dare ya. Anyway, that's it from me and I will see you guys next week. Bye!